What's up, what's happening? Welcome back to another video. I'm Brock the Stable. Today we're doing a new type of video, a pack and pain challenge. So we're each going to open 3 7.5k packs and we're going to take the highest overall and add it up. Whoever has the lowest overall after all 3 rounds has to do a forfeit, and today's forfeit will be drinking a fucked up drink that we make. Connor, are you excited?
Awooga.
Jake, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Your pack looks to the roof. So I'll have to give credit to Jesser, basketball YouTuber, made this concept way back when, probably 7 or 8 years ago, and now we're doing it for NHL. No one's ever done this in the NHL community, I believe. So let's have some fun, let's rip some packs, and let's get some challenges going, some dares. So it's only 7.5k packs. We'll start left to right. The highest overall is that. Nothing more, nothing less. Doesn't matter, just the highest overall.
There we go.
Connor's up with pack number 1. The score's updated as well. Oh my god! Oh my god! He got
89 Darnell Nurse.
He got 89 Darnell Nurse off rip.
And it seems...
Good God.
The race is down to 2.
I don't think I'm getting that. Oh, this is beautiful.
He got 89 Darnell Nurse. The first card of the pack. Send to the trade pile.
Oh, sure.
That's fine, that's fine. As long as you don't quick sell it, I don't care. It's a good 40k.
Oh, my lord.
Okay, so he has 89.
Woo-hoo. Sucks, bro. Sucks.
Okay, my pack.
I'm gonna make this concoction extra spicy for you guys.
My pack, come on. Matthew Santos. Oh. Blake Lazan. Alright, 79. I think it's not terrible.
We'll see. Back the 80s first, please.
I did. Dead Heinen. 80. The Hind Dog. You know what? 80's not bad. 80's respectable. Somewhat. So 89, 80. Write it down on your phone.
I can't remember 3 numbers.
we're gonna have to add it
I
up.
can't remember 9 numbers.
There we go, here's mine.
Okay, Jake's up now. He needs to get over an 80. Garden halfway. 79. Not a bad start.
69. 77.
Tyrati. 750 coin. Just don't get an 80 plus. Yes! See, Marcus Cranlin, he does exist. Alright, so after round 1, it's 89 Connor. It is 80 me, and Jacob has 79.
Alright.
2 more rounds.
Let's seal the deal with this one, baby.
I can't believe we got Darnell Nurse off rip. That's incredible.
And I think you pulled that today.
I did pull that today.
John
Simon. Mo Simon. Sorry.
Oshaka.
Matthew Pekka.
Oh, what was that?
That's a hot icon.
Yeah, 76.
We'll send us a trade pile, a little more points from me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Joey Anderson.
That's terrible, bro.
78 is your best player.
Yeah.
Wait, don't click yet.
I know.
Tim Taylor. I know hockey pretty well.
I
I'd never heard of a Tim Taylor before.
No, it must have been the old Bolts stand.
He sent it all. Oh.
Connor does not know how to play the game.
No, never.
Okay, so what do you got? So you got 78 there.
78.
78, 89.
It's a good thing you got it's a good thing you got
Darnell.
Oh, please.
Please.
I was fully expecting to drink this thing afterwards.
Here we go.
Marco. Are you ready? Alex Green. That's not ideal. Marvin Cooper. Colin Delia. Alright, 70th. Okay. Caden Gooley. No.
And
78 Caden Gooley.
Zap.
Or no, 78 Colin Delia.
The second round is
Second round.
Not ideal.
So I
I
have
took all the luck, boys.
158.
Here we go.
If Jake doesn't get an 80 plus, it's alright.
Off to a great start with 2 60s.
Corey Snyder.
Nice.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, stay 77. Yes! 77 for Jacob! Corey in the house.
Yeesh.
Yikes. Last round.
What was your second one again?
Mine was 77.
No, his.
78, Colin Delia.
Wasn't it the Ghoul?
No, King Gooley 75.
Man.
Last round.
Come on.
This seems pretty sweat-free for you.
Come on.
so.
Just don't get a 60 something.
You're guaranteed a gold card too. I think
Okay, so I don't win. 75.
You don't win anything.
Chris Anna.
Alright. I own JP. I'm just gonna play it. Yeah, clear.
Alright. Come on.
Just give me an 80 plus.
80 plus, I should be in the clear here. That's not 80 plus. Lassie Lettinen. He's letting me down there. E2. That's not terrible. 70. Oh! Tanner Jeannot! Don't you know that's an 80? It's. I mean, he can still beat me.
Yeah, I ain't even cracked. Fucking.
You haven't got an 80 plus yet. So I got 2 80s and a 79. That is. Connor, what is that?
You didn't get two.
Wait, no. Wait, okay.
An 80 is
Wait.
78 to 79.
76? If he doesn't get an 88, it's over. He needs like an 82.
Oh, this is fun. Good lord.
Pack luck is
Absolutely nothing. The
Roll
best-
back the clip of him saying he had the best pack luck. Drink
Good
time.
God.
Gentlemen, welcome to the kitchen where we cook up some delectable beverages.
That was a cold crack.
Start off with a little, base. Keep it a little light. You know what I mean? Now you gotta add some sweet with the sour.
Cream de la crop.
Nice and
Or should we say cream de la crap?
we don't curse. What are you doing?
I don't know what that is. It's green. What's made Mountain Dew?
No. Just to accent the top.
And mix it all together.
That.
Oh my god.
No reason. Wow. That right there.
How bad?
Right up the fucking enemy, alright? I might even start with I might even do that. Don't worry, you're gonna want this stirred.
It looks like a protein shake.
Yeah.
Kale shaking. It is. It's gonna be great.
Oh, trust me.
Oh, we did. It's really good, man.
It's fire. Alright. That's the best
Wait,
I'm
what's
gonna
the
get.
final?
That's the final product. You want? Get a nice 360 or something. Let me get a layer. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh,
Ooh.
over the top view.
That's
We got it.
delectable. Is there? Alright. You want to do this blind? Do you want to see what it looks like? Alright, we'll sit down.
I can't go in there. I'll bring it to you. I want to be by the sink in case I throw up.
Ah, I'm gonna be fine.
It'll be fine.
Alright, sit down.
How big is this cup?
You don't have to drink the entire thing. Wait. Let me. Yeah, perfect.
It's green?
Mountain Dew.
How much am I drinking?
Just get a gulpin.
That's good.
No, it's not.
I swear to God.
No.
I'll drink the rest of this fucking thing.
No.
Come on.
Dude, no. Chug it.
Chug it then.
No, I'm gonna chug it, but that's
Come on.
like, that's not bad.
Should put a shot in or something. Don't let me have it.
Should have.
There's beer in here. There's definitely
Oh,
beer in
is there beer in there?
Alright, try to guess what else is in there, and we'll tell you what's in there.
here. Mountain Dew.
No.
Really? I don't know. It tastes good though. Oh, I'm actually gonna.
Wait.
No shit, it tastes good. This is delicious. Man.
That's in there?
All right, tell them what's in.
All right.
It's like, you gotta try it though. It's actually.
I'm not trying.
I'm not gonna
It's
try.
actually fucking
All right,
good.
so there's a basil back in there.
Really bad. Yeah, that's a beer.
Topped it all with a little Angry Orchard.
No, that's
So
what
we
it
got
is.
a nice shot of this. A little cream. Half a cup of blue cheese.
That's what that is.
And a ketchup packet.
Oh my god. That was a good.
They all fucking settled on
You
the
gotta try. One of you
They all
guys.
fucking settled on the bottom.
I mean, you know what's.
All right, Connor, come on, you gotta have a sip.
One of you guys.
Try it.
You have a
One of
sip.
you, it's actually. I'm not even having it. It's good. What? It's actually. I'm not even lying. Right. You guys.